Welcome to The Explainer. If you're passionate about the cutting edge of AI, you already know that speech synthesis is evolving at a totally breakneck pace. But today? Well, today we are looking at a breakthrough that changes where that synthesis actually happens. Okay, let's dive into this. We are exploring an absolute game changer from the Hugging Face platform, the Supertonic 3 model. This isn't just another voice generator, guys. It's a fundamental shift in how we deploy high-quality AI speech. For years, we've had this persistent roadblock, right? If you wanted to generate really high-quality, natural-sounding AI voices, you were basically tethered to massive remote servers. You had to deal with high latency, a constant need for a stable internet connection, and, let's be real, the heavy financial burden of cloud computing. So imagine this. What if powerful AI speech didn't need the cloud at all? What if all that processing muscle could just live right in your pocket or on your local machine? Well, the answer is local inference. And this is exactly what Supertonic 3 was built for. It uses the Onyx runtime to execute the AI model entirely on your own device's hardware. And the absolute most critical part of this? There is zero cloud call required for synthesis. Literally none. Supertonic is completely changing the game by bringing the immense power of speech synthesis directly to the edge, totally bypassing that massive cloud infrastructure we've all just gotten so used to relying on. Section 1. Meet Supertonic 3, the David in a world of Goliaths. 99 million parameters. I mean, in the modern AI world where we are casually throwing around the word billions every single day, that is astonishingly lean. It proves you absolutely don't need a massive footprint to get top-tier performance. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly why that small footprint matters so much. On one side, you've got Supertonic 3, 99 million parameters running on a CPU and fully capable of local inference. But on the other side, typical open text-to-speech systems are hovering anywhere between 0.7 billion and 2 billion parameters. Those massive models require huge download sizes and serious GPU dependencies. So Supertonic 3's tiny size translates directly into massive practical advantages, like significantly faster startup times, effortless downloads, and the ability to actually run on everyday devices. When we look at the runtime footprint, the results are honestly staggering. Supertonic 3 runs incredibly fast on a standard CPU. In fact, it's actively beating the runtime footprint of larger open TTS baselines that were literally measured on massive A100 GPUs. Because it uses so much less memory and completely removes the need for a GPU altogether, deploying this model locally, in a web browser, or out on the computing edge is suddenly a whole lot easier. But you might be wondering, does shrinking the model mean we're sacrificing quality? Well, the data says no. Supertonic 3 is evaluated on word error rates, or WER, and character error rates, CER, and despite its tiny size, it stays right within a highly competitive accuracy range against much larger open TTS models, like Vox CPM2. So you're getting the reading accuracy of a massive, heavy model, all while preserving that super lightweight on-device deployment path. Section 2. Upgrades and global reach. What's new in version 3? Let's move to and see how this builds on previous versions. The leap forward here is massive. First off, language coverage has just exploded, going from 5 languages in version 2 to 31 languages today. We're talking everything from Arabic and English to Vietnamese and Ukrainian. Next, we're seeing some really crucial fixes for reading stability. Version 3 significantly reduces those annoying repeat and skip failures, especially on very short or very long utterances. And finally, speaker similarity has been improved across the shared language set, which basically means the voices just sound far more consistent and reliable. But this right here is probably my favorite addition. Supertonic 3 now supports simple expression tags. By just dropping tags like laugh, breath, or sigh directly into your text prompt, developers can inject this incredible, human-like nuance and raw emotion right into the generated speech. It's no longer just about reading words accurately, right? It's about making the AI sound genuinely alive and expressive. Section 3. Getting started in seconds. Deploying the Python SDK. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how elegant this 4-step Python SDK process is. Step 1, you simply run pip install Supertonic. Step 2, you import and initialize the TTS module, and hey, notice that auto download equals true parameter? That is brilliant. On your very first run, the SDK automatically handles downloading all the necessary model assets straight from Hugging Face. Step 3, you just select a voice style like M1 and synthesize your text. And finally, step 4, you save it to an output.wav file. It is just incredibly clean and straightforward. To prove how robust this is, let's look at the exact strings used in the model card's test code. Imagine feeding this to the model. The train delay was announced at 4:45 p.m. on WED, April 3, 2024, due to truck maintenance. Now, this string isn't an accident. It is intentionally packed with complex data, specific times, dates, abbreviations, the whole shebang, and the system handles this complex formatting flawlessly, reading it out clearly and accurately without stumbling over any of it. And, it's not just good for dry informational text either. Look at this second test string. A gentle breeze moved through the open window while everyone listened to the story. Using that exact same M1 voice style, along with the English language parameter, the model easily shifts gears to handle highly evocative narrative storytelling. It really demonstrates a dynamic range that is absolutely vital for applications ranging from audiobooks all the way to video games. Let's quickly summarize the key project details driving all this adoption. The accompanying model is an open-weight release under the OpenRail M license, while the sample code itself uses the highly permissive MIT license. It was trained using PyTorch. And the community response? It speaks volumes. Just looking at the Hugging Face metrics, it racked up over 12,800 downloads just last month alone, with multiple community spaces already actively utilizing it. So the crucial point is this. We are looking at a complete paradigm shift. And I want to leave you with a thought to ponder as we wrap up this explainer. If AI this powerful, supporting 31 languages and emotional expressions, can run entirely locally on a standard CPU without a single ping to the cloud, what does that mean for the future? Seriously, think about the massive implications for total user privacy, the explosion of new app development possibilities, and the potential for advanced off-grid technology. The edge is getting incredibly smart, and Supertonic 3 is leading the charge. Thanks for joining me, and keep exploring.